Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we have today a 290 Sea Ray Amberjack. It's a 2009. It's got the custom hardtop on it, pipe welder's attachment. It's got the arch on top with the digital Ray Marine chart plotter system on board. This is running a pair of 350 mags. It's just come out of full servicing. That's bottom painting, topsides polish and wax, full engine servicing, drive leg servicing. Watch our pictures of the boat. We had it in our service shop for last month, going through it completely. It is a great running boat. I brought it back down to Point Roberts here the other day. The boat ran flawlessly. It is a 290 Amberjack. It's a 2009. It is super realistically priced, slightly higher hours on it, but the condition of the boat is exceptional. It is like new on the inside as it is on the outside. It has a Webasto diesel furnace, which is great at this time of the year. It worked beautifully on the way down here. The boat didn't miss a beat. It ran flawlessly. What a great looking machine. Has a assumable moorage here in Point Roberts available with it as well. It is a Washington State registered boat, but it is available to Canadians. Easy to import the boat. I will help you in that process. For our American friends, easy to buy this boat. It's a 290 Sea Ray Amberjack 2009. Great value in a power boat, great value in a sport fish style boat for the Pacific Northwest. Great canvas package on board it as well. So we're gonna go do an inside video, quick startup video. I did a sea trial video on my way down here. We have pictures of the boat in our service shop. The bottom of the boat is like brand new right now. Great looking machine. Again, thanks for watching our walk around video of our 290 Sea Ray. I'm just gonna go up to the front of the boat here, so you can see the bow. It's got the bow winch on it. It's got a delta anchor, and look at the hull. It shines. You know, the water is beating off nicely. It was raining earlier. It's turned into a beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest. PacificCoastYachtSales.com, 604-708-1980. Thanks for watching.